We all know the influence of music over the body and the mind due to many studies that are out there. And so I believe a feminine woman should listen to feminine music that puts her in the mood of being feminine. So here are my top 18 most beautiful, feminine, sensual songs that will put us not only in the mood, but in the spirit of femininity. A lot of people like to start their countdowns with the last number first and they lead up to number one. Well, I like to start with number one and lead down the line to the last one, because the first shall be last and the last shall be first. Number one, Psalm 23 by Jeff Majors. Why? Because you hear an ethereal heart in this song. Number two, a song by Disalam Asifa. Now, I don't speak Amharic, so I actually don't know the title of the song, but one of my friends from Ethiopia gave me this, and it is a praise CD God. It's actually the 7th track, which you can see here. If you read Amharic, please let me know what this says, the title of this album. Well, why did I choose this? Because it's a beautiful Ethiopian ballad. Number 3, I Want to Thank You by Alicia Myers. This song has a funky theme to it, and it's actually praising the Lord for sending her man that is just beyond every other man that she dated before him. Number 4, Sweet Love by Anita Baker. Why? Because it's very smooth, her voice is pretty, and it's unashamed love. Number 5, Hassa Shel Al Habib. It's by Nagwa Foad. She was a very famous belly dancer in her day and also starred in many films. This song is soft, playful, and feminine. Number 6, I Only Have Eyes for You by the Flamingos. If you want to hear early boy bands and doo-wop and crooners, this will be the song to listen to. From the 50s. Number 7, Blue in Green by Miles Davis. Very sensual, very slow, and very intimate, as implied by the name of the song. Number 8, Ebony Eyes by Rick James and Smokey Robinson. Now, every time I bring up the name of this song, people always think, oh, Ebony and Ivory? No, this is not Ebony and Ivory. This is a different song by a completely different artist, and it's a beautiful love song. And listening to the lyrics, and if you've ever seen the video, it's just as beautiful. And both of these men are singing to these women about their love for them. So the song has a lot of soul, but it's done in a very soft way. Number 9, La Baspa Ini by Serene. This is a Lebanese artist that is singing about her passionate crush on a lover that with one look from him, he will know all. It's a very nice, slow song. Number 10, Tiradot Flores Dos. Now this is by Eripa Meri, and it's in Spanish, very upbeat, talking about Miss Flores. Number 11, Set Feed by Aphrodisiac. It's also up-tempo and in French. Number 12, Tam-e-Ishik by Niaz. Now, this artist blends Sufi poetry with Farsi because they're from Iran, and the title means A Taste of Love. So they use Middle Eastern instruments and electronic sounds in their music. Number 14, Naima by John Coltrane. Very sensual, very loving, very feminine. Soft and sensual tune. Number 14, Mary That Girl by Papa San. It's reggae flavor and encouraging one to marry the woman of their dreams. Number 15, Evanescent by Axiom of Choice. This song it makes you feel like you are traveling in spiritual realms, going up to the heavens. It's so beautiful. Number 16, Vocalese Int Up 34 of 14. What those acronyms and symbols, numbers all mean, I have no clue. But it's the first track off of the Windham Hill romantic music. And this classical piece just makes you feel like you're stepping out of a Baroque staircase into a grand hall where no one's there but you and your lover in a beautiful, sensual European dress. Number 17, also titled Psalm 23, but this time it's by Al Green, whose interpretation of this song is very soulish, sensual, and sexy, if you will. I know that one doesn't normally think of the Psalms as sexy, but if you listen to this track, you'll understand exactly what I mean. And finally, number 18 is called Preserve by Rezone. Also a reggae flavored tune, and it's encouraging women, especially young girls, to save their virginity for marriage. It's so tastefully done. So there you have it, my top 18 songs of all time that are most beautiful, sensual, and feminine to help get you in your feminine spirit, energy, and mood. Let me know in the comments below if you heard any of these tunes before, or if you are going or plan on listening to them, what you think of them.